Northern Light Primary Care Medical Practice in Southwest Harbor will be closing its doors this August. The practice has been part of that coastal community since 1962.
Northern Light Health staff say the company is not exempt from challenges that all healthcare systems across the country are facing. But people living in that small island town say they feel like they are losing a piece of their home. News Center Maine's Raya Wooten has the details.
649.
Every day, Michelle Long sees familiar faces come through her doors at the Southwest Harbor Market. To her customers, she says,
All set. See you later.
But soon, she'll be saying goodbye to the Northern Light Southwest Harbor Clinic on Herrick Road for good. A farewell she's not happy to make.
I knew all the receptionists, I knew all the doctors, I knew all the nurses. So it's somewhere where I grew up.
The small practice only has 2 physicians. Joe Gaetano, Northern Light Vice President of Operations, says the clinic will close, the building will be sold, and patients will be transferred to the Northern Light Primary Care Facility in Ellsworth, half an hour away.
Patients are at the core of everything that we do. There were tears shed among many around making this decision.
Town leaders say Southwest Harbor's island community has a large elderly population with little access to public transportation. That's what made having a Northern Light medical office on the island convenient.
I was talking to my chief police the other day, and he said that for some, they will take themselves to the clinic. This one person didn't feel good, and they were having a stroke. And they drove themselves because they didn't want to call an ambulance.
But Gaetano says it costs a lot of money for a physician to generate revenue for a health system.
The cost to employ and support with nursing care and ancillary services around that physician and building costs is about $1 million per physician. So, each practice, each medical group essentially is underwater.
But for Long, it's hard to see yet another critical resource leave the island.
I feel like this is starting to not become home.
In Southwest Harbor, Raya Wooten, News Center Maine.